Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GabrielesMist. My name is Rosemary, also known as Vivikarrina. Well, I have another package from Soapy Ox Farms, and as I say in his comments in his videos, I will order another one of his grab bags. And the day I make a video on my channel that I was making the unboxing, he was uploading his other video about he was giving away a free ornament in his grab bag. So I said, oh my god, and that happened. Yes, I was hooked up again. So here is the grab bag, and it arrived today, maybe yesterday, because it's 12 o'clock midnight. So yeah, and I'm doing this video now because I am a night person. So yeah, I will be opening it here. Today I'm not doing unboxings in my bed. That's good. I'm feeling much better. Thank you. Thanks God, obviously. Okay. First layer. Okay, that layer is out. So now we'll be opening this one. I got a Santa. Oh, so cute. I do like the Santa. I wish I have a very good Christmas, but it's been lonely. This Christmas has been lonely. Oh, I see a star. Okay. I know how nice. Okay. So cute. Let's see what we have here. That noise is my heater, central heater. Oh, so cute. Wow, 12 years old. Look at that. That is beautiful. I will treasure this and keep it forever. Oh, until my last breath. It's so cute. I like it. Made in Germany. Wow. I hope he make me laugh. I like him. Let me put him here so I can take pictures later. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Now, let's see what we have in here. It's full pack of stuff. He always pack his stuff very nice, as you can see in all of my unboxings. The lavender egg that I like from the last unboxing. Happy that I got two now. This one is a autumn. Autumn round, very beautiful. This one is desert sand. Ah, look at this. Oh, so cute. Small creamy. Yeah. It said it have Everclear. Smell very clear. Smell very creamy. See in here. Carrot turmeric. I love turmeric. Yes, I do. Qué rico. I can smell the oregano in this one. See this one. This one. Thai basil. Wow. Look at the swirls. They're beautiful. It's heavy duty. Oh man, smell awesome. Thai basil juice, juniper berries. I love juniper berries. Oh my god. Smell awesome, awesome. Loving them. This one is I want to rip the paper so I can recycle. This one is Galaxia. Yeah. This is pretty. Oh my god. Smell awesome too. I can smell the essential oils in it. It's big. Okay. Yes. Hey, look at the colors. Oh, wow. These colors are great. Dragon's blood. Scream dragon. The smell is awesome. It has paprika, indigo. This is the thing that I love about Soapy Oxford. His soaps are so natural. He used all these things that is essential, and I love that. I love that. I really love that. Okay. This one is, oh, it's so cute. I feel like Christmas already. Avocado Luxury. Avocado is awesome for your body. With the lavender essential oil, orange essential oil, cedar wood essential oil, lemongrass essential oil, patchouli essential oil. Wow. Dead sea salt. Awesome. Coming now, they keep coming, they keep coming. What a pretty soap! Wow! Oh wow! What a pretty soap! This is so pretty. All these lines he make it with clay. I mean, I saw the video, but in person the soap is beautiful. Great job. This soap is beautiful, guys. It's beautiful, even if it bleed a little, because it's the clay that he put in there. It's beautiful. Wow. Very creative. Yeah. The clays that he put here are an indigo powder, rose kaolin clay, activated charcoal, French green clay, arcanite root, Brazilian red clay, lavender essential oil. It's awesome. Love it. Okay, the last but not least. Copy. Okay. Mochaccino cream. Mochaccino cream. Okay. Okay, this is it. Has espresso bean, ground espresso bean, cacao essential oil, coffee oil. Oh my god, I'm in love with this one. Oh, look at that. This is what I love about the grab bags. You never know what you're going to get. Every time it's a surprise, and I am in love with that. Every time you get different stuff. The only repeat I got in this one was the lavender, and I am in love with lavender, so it's okay with me because it's a shampoo bar and I love it. So yeah, that's the only repeat I got in this one from the last one. But this one is the only repeat. But it's okay because the other ones are different. I never had them before, so oh my god. This one I'm not sure. I have to check because I have a box especially for Soapy Ox Farm soaps. I will show that later. In a picture. I will put a picture at the end of the video. But this is awesome. This is great. Thank you so much, Patrick. I'm still in love with your soaps. I can say enough about them. I do recommend his grab bags, even his other products he have in his website. You should try them. And this one, this is a treasure. He's giving this away, and this is a treasure. This is very important for people that value stuff like this. The sentimental value, no the material value, but the sentimental value. This stuff is very precious. If you understand what I'm saying, I'm trying to say. Yeah, this is very precious, and I will keep this forever. Thank you so much, Patrick. This means a lot. And well, I will be doing another unboxing, so thank you very much. I will be posting pictures, and thank you. Goodbye and bless. Be blessed. Bye bye. Love you all.